Hey everyone, today we will be taking a tour of St. Andrews State Park Campground. We stayed there in October and had a nice time. The campground has 158 sites, and as we come down the main road to the campground, we'll take a right. We will be going past sites 1 through 20. And on our left, sites 91 through 80. Those are water sites. We'll see them on our way back out this road. Most of the sites are back in. There are a fair amount of pull-through sites that accommodate larger RVs. Here the road splits. We'll take a right. And on our right, there are 3 tents, or some people call them yurts. And then campsites 18, 19, 20. And then one of 4 bathhouses is on the right. On the left is a nice playground. And as you can see there's another dumpster. They have plenty of dumpsters throughout the campground. At the stop sign, we will take a right. And sites 21 through 42 will be on our right, and 22 through 41 will be on our left. The sites are small gravel, limestone, well maintained, new hookups. The area was really destroyed during a hurricane in 2018. On our right, there is another bathhouse. The bathhouses are clean. They have laundry facilities. At the stop sign, we're going to go straight. This area was roped off through our stay, except this day, so we get a sneak peek. Apparently, it's never been camped in. I'm not sure if they had problems, but these sites are 43 through 56. The road comes up to here, but it's blocked off, so you actually have to turn around, and as you'll see here, if you kept going, it goes to the ferry, and there is a ferry there that takes you to Shell Island. I believe it's $25 per person to take you over there. It's a beautiful beach, white sand, it's just gorgeous. They're going to have to open it up, because if you see the sites on the right, the way they're angled, there's no way that you could back in coming in from the other way. So these sites are 49 through 56 on the right. The water sites are beautiful. We saw dolphins swim by. You can see the boats go by. In fact, the dolphins were so close, my wife jumped on her paddleboard and went chasing them. So as we come up, we'll see sites 57 through 66 on our right. Again, 41 through 68 on our left. The Wi-Fi was good throughout the park. Cell service was decent. We did have some strong winds coming off the water our last couple of days there that really shook the camper, but other than that, the weather was beautiful. We're coming up on sites 73 through 78. On our left, 72, 75, 77, 79. We did have a hard time backing our fifth wheel in. The road is so narrow there that the person across from us, I think 75, they had to move their truck in order for us to back in our 32-foot fifth wheel. On our left there is a meeting area, and they did have a church service on Sunday. And you can see the tents on our left. This road is wider, so I don't think you will have a difficult problem backing in. As you can see, there's larger RVs there. The sites on the water are really beautiful. Most of them have paths right down to the water. If you had a kayak or a paddleboard, you can just launch from there. So the park started around 1947. It's 1,200 acres. There's 158 sites. 4 bathhouses, 3 have laundry. We'll go through the stop sign. On the left is the way out of the campground. So now we'll be going by campsites 93 up to 124. And on our left, 94 through 120. Everything's clean, well maintained. Sites are all level. There's a fire ring in all of them. The road to the left will take you back out. So on our right, we have sites 106, 107, 109. And on our left, 108 through 120. The pull-through sites are really nice. They have plenty of room, as you can see in the video, for large RVs. Again, this road is narrow, so it's a little bit more difficult to back in. These sites on the curve might be a little bit easier. So now we'll cross over Main Road, and we will be driving by sites 125 on our left, 126 on our right. These sites aren't on the water, as you can see, but it looks like they have more trees, maybe a little bit more shade. Sites 130, we're going by 127, 129 on our right, our pull-through sites. 131 through 135 are on our left here. Check-in is at 1 o'clock. Check-out is at 3. We'll be going past sites 136 and 137 on our right. As we come around this turn, we will be going by 138 through 141, and then I believe there's some tent sites on the left, 142, 143, 144. Right there's the tent sites on the left. And then 145 and 146 on the left here. We'll go past the intersection we just went through. And then some pull-through sites will be coming up to on our left. 147, 148, 150. Another bathhouse, the 4th one on our right. 3 of the 4 bathhouses have laundry. This one does. $149 on our right, 151 on our right. Nice big spots there. And then on our left, 152 through 156, 153, 157 on our right, and then another bathhouse. One thing I wanted to mention is to get down into the campground, there's a gate, and they give you a code to get in. The pad is on the passenger side, so it's a little bit difficult. Matter of fact, we actually had to get out of our vehicle to punch the code in and then open the gate. It's nice for security, but it's something's kind of odd. Thanks for watching. That's the tour. Hope you enjoy the campground if you go there.